I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money through Optus, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Optus app. First, ensure you have the Optus app installed on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create or log into your account. Open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Make sure to verify your identity if prompted. Step 3. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, find the Payments section in the app. This is usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Step 4. Select Receive Money option. In the Payments section, look for the option that says Receive Money. Tap on it to proceed with the setup. Step 5. Share your payment details. Follow the prompts to generate a unique payment link or QR code. Share this with the person sending you money. Make sure they know to use the correct link to avoid any issues. If you accidentally share the wrong link, the payment might not go through, so double check before sending it out. I hope this guide helps you receive money easily through Optus. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.